If the electric bicycle doesn't provide assistance, it is possible that the speed sensor failed. The speed sensor needs to be removed and replaced. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 5 fixing screws of the battery discharge insert. Remove the controller. Find the speed sensor line. The thread is red, black, and blue. Unplug the speed sensor cable. After unplugging, pull the thread out from under the frame. After pulling it out, and we remove the crank. Remove the speed sensor after the crank is removed. Remove the speed sensor. Then replace it with a new speed sensor.